Thanks for visiting the Van Eman Real Estate Team Properties. If you have any questions or want a personal tour of a specific property, contact Terry and he will assist you and view a property. Again, thanks for stopping by. This property has almost 2,300 square feet of living space. Gulf access, 3-bedroom 2-bath, south-facing property located in the upcoming expanding Northwest Cape. Owner installed granite countertops in the kitchen, new stainless steel appliances and new tile flooring. The owner also just finished installing new pavers around the pool deck and the pool. This property offers daily sun exposure to the screened lanai/patio every day of the year. With this house, you can have all the toys for the outdoor adventurous person. You can kayak, fish, jet ski or boat from your property. The boat lift was recently recabled and the boat dock was built with composite planks with 25+ years of guaranteed durability in the Florida climate. There is room for a larger boat on the lift. There is also a floating jet ski pad secured at the dock and racks for 2 kayaks.